Alright guys, here's another review video for the upcoming final. So this time we are going to condense our expressions. Now this one is a little bit more important than expanding because we use condensing sometimes, as you'll find out, to solve log equations. But anyways, let's just get started. What do is we're going to do everything we did before backwards. So notice how we have this 3, in front. Well, it's timesing the log. Well, we know we can bring it up, you see, and make it an exponent. So that's what we're going to do. Same thing with this 18. It's timesing the log here, so we're going to bring it up and make it an exponent. So what we have so far is log base 2. So these log 2's are not going to change. And we have, instead of a 3, we have a 3 to the 3. Because this 3 again came from the front. There's still a minus, which we'll take care of next. And then we move the 18 up, so we have the log base 2 of 11 to the 18. Now, let's take care of the minus. The minus came from dividing. So we still have log base 2. But what we're going to do is take 3 to the 3 and divide it by 11 to the 18. Now you don't have to, but it may be nice to put a parentheses around it. The key thing is the minus here became a divide. The multiplies in front became exponents. All right, let's try one more. On this one, notice the 4 times the log. We're going to bring it up there. The 3 times the log, we're going to bring it up there. And so let's see what we get. We have log base 6 of x to the 4. We have a plus right here. And then we have log base 6 of y3. So far, all I did was take the multiplying numbers, the coefficients, if you want to call them, moved them up as exponents. Now let's take care of the plus. In the last video, we learned that plus came from multiply. Well, we're just going to go in the opposite direction. So we're going to say log base 6 of the x4 timesing with the log base 6 of y3. So notice the plus became a times. Again, let's put a parentheses there. And if you like, let's go ahead and get rid of the times dot because we don't really need that, right? But you can leave it there if you want, but I think this looks much better. And so that's how you condense some logs, guys. So what did we review is the plus became a times. The coefficients multiplying the logs in front became exponents. And a minus became a divide. Those are the 3 rules that we learned in the last video. We're now just doing it in reverse. Right? But anyways, guys, that's basically how you condense logs. We'll practice some more of these definitely in class this coming week.